Yun na ang dating Pangulong Duterte na sa ICC. Does he deserve that?
Ang tingin ko, yung dokumento na linabas sa amin ng Supreme Court Chief Justice ako, pinakinggan namin yun yung Oplan double barrel and yung high value targets, etc. At gina-justify ni, at that time, General Bato de la Rosa, Senator. At sinasabi niya na hindi naman daw ganon kasama, as the journalist, kasi journalist talaga nag-a-unveil, we're making it out to be. Dun sa interpellation, it was obvious that they were trying to create a layer of cover-ups. So pag nagko-cover up ka, talagang ibig sabihin may krimen. So ang tanong, did those crimes constitute crimes against humanity? They did, Karen. And when I read further, after na ito, the proceedings, the report of Michelle Bachelet, the former president of Chile, who was appointed to be the UN rapporteur for the EJK complaint in the Philippines. Yung findings doon, consistent dun sa mga nakita rin namin sa records at yung mga testimony na natanggap namin sa Supreme Court. Consistent din ito dun sa nabasa kong affidavits ng mga testigo sa ICC, which are publicly available,